Uh, I cannot understand how I was right so much. Take this out. Why was I right so much? This is literally following my drawing. But there's potential issues that we're having around the chart and potentially good things. This is the Bitcoin price analysis, price prediction for the 8th of February 2022. If you appreciate these daily videos, just slap the like button or I'll slap you. Subscribe if you haven't already to see these videos daily. AMX is the exchange you want to use for altcoins. There's a link for this in the description down below. And this video is no financial advice. Let's talk about Bitcoin, the one, the only currency. The Bitcoin, the Bitcoin. Okay, well, it has been pumping up, very clear to see, but we're seeing a few potential issues. First, let's start with the good stuff. We've got volume coming in uh, for the last 2 days after the weekend, which was giving everyone anxiety. We have volume coming in, and we have a very strong uptrend with a lot of market orders. These the buy market orders, very strong. RSI is trending up, and Woman 2 waves are up, which is good. Going over to the 30-minute time frame. What do we see here? An issue. We see that there's the market orders are getting stale because of the high RSI, I believe. They're just getting bought up. It's not necessarily a bad thing because that happened yesterday and it pumped and during the weekend as well. Because Bitcoin is just liquidating any short right now. Potentially for the short term, I think we'll have a correction very likely today because we have a divergence on the volume. You can see less buying volume. You can say that the volume is high on the sell side. I think that's potentially going to happen. We need a confirmation. But there's a lot of places where Bitcoin's price can get bought up, especially around the 41K area. This seemed to be the accumulation zone, I guess. It was a very weird accumulation zone. If you lived and saw the price movements, there were a lot of waves just stopping the price from crashing. But it seems that we are headed towards 56K slowly. I think we'll have some corrections because the uptrend can respect those here. But let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I think short term correction, long term up. See you next one. Bye.